Let's pick a thumbnail template and go over to our elements to add the image we want to remove text from. Let's make this image our background and let's go over to edit photos. We will be using the grab text tool in the Magic Studio. It has finished grabbing the text. If you see, we can move the text around. You can as well delete it, and we can also edit the text into what we want it to look like. Let's add a second page and go grab another photo. Let's add this image and set it as background. Let's go over to edit photo and use the grab text tool also in the Magic Studio. You can do anything you want with the text. You can delete it, you can format it and edit it into what you want. Let's add a third page and add another image to it and grab the text also from the edit photo. Yeah, we'll grab the text. We will delete this one actually. In the mouth of 3, a word is settled. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.